How to make a logo for free on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own logo for free using Canva. So let's get into it. Now, what is Canva? Before we get into how to actually create your logo, you need to understand what Canva basically is. So Canva is a free to use online platform that enables you to create different illustrations with their preset illustrations. They have different templates available as well. You can browse through their overall platform to see that they have many different types of templates, from anywhere to presentation templates to social media content templates, video templates, print product templates, marketing templates, office templates, and so much more. So they basically are a illustration platform that enables you to create gorgeous looking illustrations for you in your educational field, in your business, or anything else. Now, on Canva, it is absolutely free to use. Now, although it is free to use, they do have a premium version if you want to upgrade. But first, I'm going to show you guys how to actually design your logo, and later on, I'm going to show you guys the differences between the pro version and the basic version of Canva. So, on Canva, to get started, I have already created my account using my Gmail address. All you have to do is sign up via your Gmail address like I have. And once you do that, your account will be created. So once your account is created, this is going to be your basic dashboard. Now, there are two ways that you can get started. You can just go into the search bar and search for a logo over here. And once you search for a logo, it is going to provide you with many different templates available. Now you can see some of these templates are paid templates, some of these are pro templates. So pro templates basically mean that these will be available if you subscribe to the pro version or the paid version of Canva. The paid ones you will have to pay for. The rest of the templates are free templates. So you can see there are quite a few different options, and if you go on your top, you can also search for a specific type of logo. So let's say we go into logos, and these are like so many different options. You can also click on create a blank logo, which will open up a blank canvas for you to get started with for your logo. So you can see once you open up a blank canvas, even then on your left side you have your navigation panel, and in that navigation panel you also have templates. So you can still browse templates and take inspiration from over here, or even apply a template and then customize it. Now, first off, we're going to go back onto our basic page. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a look at the different templates, and you can even search for a specific niche of templates in the logos. So let's say you want a fashion logo, so you can just search for fashion logo over here, and then you will get specific templates. Now, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to show you guys how to customize a logo. So we're going to take this logo over here, we're going to open this up, and then you can see these are like the three variations of this logo, and I'm just going to delete the other two. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to customize this template, and then later on I'm going to show you how to actually create your own logo from scratch. Now you can see this is like a very nice logo. First off, I'm just going to click this bottom text over here. I'm going to add Jane's Beauty Hub. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this text box like so. Then I'm going to resize this, and then I'm going to click on over here and then drag this to the center of the page. So you can see this purple line is illustrating the center of the page, and I'm just going to drag this over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottom text over here. I'm going to move it up a little, and maybe in the bottom text I want to add for all. Now, once I've done that, if I click on this image over here, I can click on the color of the image on the top left over here, and I can change the color of the image as well. This will allow you to change like any of the colors present within the image. So let's say I want to like change this one to this. So this one only allows you to change the color of the eyebrows, because the rest of the image is a line image, but I'm just going to do that. And after that, what you can do is you can click on your left over here in the element section, and I'm going to go into lines and shapes, and I'm going to take this dotted line over here, and I want to place this horizontally on the sides of my page or logo, and I'm just going to rotate this to 90 degrees, and I'm going to place it right over here, and I'm just going to expand this, making sure that it is as straight like so. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the thickness. Just want like an appropriate length like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color into like one of these light pastel pinks. And then I'm just going to do Command C and then Command V, or Control C and Control V. And then I'm going to place this on the other side of the logo as well. Then you can go back into your element section, and let's say if you want to add more decorative items, you can. If I want to click on the background and I can click on the color over here, and then I can change the background color as well. So maybe you don't want like a pure white, you can go with an off-white or a skin color. So just like that, I've customized this template like as my own. Now, if I was to get started from scratch, if I go onto Canva, and let's say you're going to go onto the home page, you can click on custom size over here, and you can enter the width and height as 500 pixels and 500 pixels, or you can even change it to inches, which is going to be 5.2 inches, depending on the size of your logo that you're desiring. The standard size is most definitely 500 pixels, but if you're going to print this logo, if you have different purposes for the necessity of this logo, then you can also create a larger logo if you please, because the larger the logo, the higher resolution you can print. So however, 5.2 inches is the standard, so that's totally up to you. Now I'm just going to click on create new design, and I'm going to start designing my logo. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on elements over here, and let's say I'm also going to once more create a logo for a beauty salon. So I'm going to search for woman over here, and I'm going to click on graphics, and now you can see there are so many different types of graphics available. So I'm just going to scroll down and take a quick look at the different logos. I'm going to scroll down, and you can find anything in these graphics. If you're looking to create a logo for your real estate business, you can find images or logos related to that. If you're looking to start, a fashion brand, a clothing brand, you can find logos for that. There are so many options available on Canva that you don't really have to worry about that. So I'm going to search for maybe woman hair, and I'm just going to scroll down. Now you can see there are quite a few great options. I'm just looking for something that I really like, and I think I'm going to go with this one. Now, whenever you click on a element or a image or a graphic on Canva, you also get magic recommendations. So you can click on see all to browse similar images as well. So if you like the image but it's not like perfectly fitting, you can just click on it, and when it opens up, you can take a look at the similar images or the similar recommendations. So I'm just going to take this image over here, and I'm going to place it right at the center, and I'm going to expand it like so, and then I'm going to recenter it. Then I'm going to go back into the element section. I'm going to click on lines and shapes, and I'm going to take this plain circle over here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this circle, expand it so that it covers the entire little image that I placed, and I'm going to place it right at the center as well. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a right click, and then I'm going to click on send to back, and this will send the circle to the entire, like behind all of the elements that are present. And then I'm going to change the color of the circle to a different color, to a lighter color, and I'm going to go with like a pink color. So I'm going to change the color to pink, and then I'm going to move this to like a light pink. Once I've done that, I'm going to click the background, the basic canvas, and I'm going to change that to pink as well. And then I'm just going to change like the color of pink, like the shade of pink. So maybe like this one, or if you want to contrast it, you can also go with like blue, just so there's like more of a contrast within your logo. So we're just going to go with like a blue look, and then I'm just going to expand the circle, and I'm going to place it right at the center, making sure it is centered like so. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on text over here on the left, and then you can use these basic text, or you can even use the font combinations. So the font combinations are stylized versions of text. I do recommend that you check those out. And I'm going to take this text over here, and I'm going to first off click on this entire text, because these are like two text blocks joined together. I'm going to click on these three dots, click on ungroup, and now that these are ungrouped, I'm just going to delete the bottom section, and then I'm just going to name it Jane's Beauty, like this. And then I'm going to select the text, and then I'm going to enter a new font size over here, like so. And I'm going to just click on effects over here, click on none, or maybe just shadow. I think shadow is okay, or lift, or background. So after that, I'm just going to place this right above the center. And then what I'm going to do within the effect section is I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on curve, and I'm just going to change the curve to match the circle that I just placed. So just like that, I'm going to place this right over here, and I'm going to give this like a 49 or 48 curve. Yeah, precisely 50. So I'm going with 50. And over here, I can just click on effects, and then I have this neon effect, and you can also choose the intensity that you want for every effect. Now, after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do Command C and then Command V. Place this right at the bottom. I'm going to change the text to Jane's Beauty Salon and Spa. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Effect. I'm going to click on Curve. And on the other side, I'm going to go with -50 now. So whatever was the initial text that you placed on top, you're going to just reverse that. And then you're just going to place this text at the bottom. You can also reduce the curve size if you feel like, this text is longer. So maybe you want to choose like a different curve size. Maybe you want to increase it or reduce it like this. So I'm just going to place this over here. And just like that, I have a fantastic logo ready. So after that, I'm just going to click on share, click on download, and my logo is ready. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own logos using Canva. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.